Planning a full-service move in Tucson? Whether you're moving across town or across the country, understanding costs, services, and how to prepare can make all the difference. Let's walk through what to expect and how to get the most out of your move. Full-service moving in Tucson means professionals handle everything: packing, loading, transport, and unloading. For a 2-3 bedroom home, expect costs between $1,100 and $2,800, depending on services and distance. Full-service movers in Tucson typically offer packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, loading and unloading, transport to your new home. Optional services like storage and vehicle shipping. These services save you time and reduce stress, especially for long-distance moves. Local moves within Tucson are often completed same day. Long-distance deliveries average 3-7 days, depending on destination and load size. Several factors influence moving costs. Distance. Longer moves cost more. Home size. Larger homes require more time and resources. Services. Additional services like packing and storage increase costs. Timing. Peak seasons may have higher rates. Always request a detailed quote to understand all potential charges. Hiring professional movers in Tucson ensures experienced and trained staff, proper equipment for safe transport, insurance coverage for your belongings, efficient and timely service. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially for long-distance moves. Full-service movers in Tucson can make your relocation smoother and less stressful. By understanding costs, services, and preparation tips, you can ensure a successful move. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your moving experiences or questions in the comments below.